Hello dear students, how are you all? I TAUSIF Ahmed welcome you once again. Dear students, in this class we had been studying adverbs, and although I have taught inversion in detail, but I have got several requests from a student to repeat the topic inversion. Okay, so I have got several requests. Many students have requested me to repeat inversion in detail once again. So I am repeating it. Okay, many of you might have studied inversion in my earlier classes, but as I have received some requests to repeat the topic because it is a very important topic and several questions are frequently asked from this topic, that's why I am repeating it. Okay, so inversion is a very important topic. Okay, inversion is a very important topic. Although I have taught this topic, but I am repeating it again because it is a very important topic and it has questions are frequently asked from this topic. Deepak Singh. Deepak, have you studied inversion before in this class? Deepak Singh, have you studied inversion or this is first time you are studying? Please tell me. Deepak, you are studying inversion first time or you have already studied? In JCA 8 p.m. class, right? You have studied inversion in 8 p.m. class or in this class. Okay, so let's start inversion. The topic is, okay Deepak, no problem Deepak, let's repeat it so that it is more clear. So the topic is inversion of verb. Okay, so inversion of verb means placing helping verb before subject. Okay, inversion of verb means placing helping verb before subject, that is helping verb plus subject. Okay, so inversion means placing a helping verb before subject. Okay, normally, now one thing remember that normally helping verb comes before subject in interrogative sentences. Okay, normally helping verb comes before subject in interrogative sentences. Normally helping verb comes before subject in interrogative sentences. For example, am I going to market? Am I going to market? So here as we can see, helping verb is before subject and this sentence is interrogative sentence. This sentence is interrogative sentence. So the question is that is this inversion? Is this inversion? Yes, of course. We have written helping verb before subject, so we have inverted the verb. But the true sense of inversion is placing the helping verb before subject even in an assertive sentence. So it is obvious to place a helping verb before subject in an interrogative sentence. Okay, it is obvious to place a helping verb before subject in an interrogative sentence, right? It is very obvious to place a helping verb before subject in an interrogative sentence. It is very obvious. We always place helping verb before subject in an interrogative subject. But in an assertive sentence, helping verb is placed, but in an assertive sentence helping verb is placed before subject, but in an assertive sentence helping verb is placed before subject only in particular situations. Okay, only in particular situation. Okay, so when helping verb is placed before subject in assertive sentence, it is called true inversion. Okay, for example, if I write, do I play cricket? Okay, and one more sentence, never do I play cricket. Here, if you see, here helping verb is before subject, and in this sentence too helping verb is before subject, but this sentence is interrogative. This sentence is interrogative, and this sentence is inverted assertive. Inverted assertive. So first sentence is interrogative sentence, while the second sentence is inverted assertive. This sentence is not interrogative. First sentence is interrogative. I am telling you this because many students think that whenever a helping verb comes before the subject, the sentence will be interrogative, but this is not true. Even in assertive sentence, helping verb may come before the subject, which is called inverted assertive. Okay, now we have to study what are those conditions. What are those conditions when a helping verb is placed before subject? Okay, so now you must have understood that what is inversion. Inversion means placing a helping verb before subject in an assertive sentence. We do not call this an inverted sentence. This is not an inverted sentence. First sentence, this sentence is not inverted sentence. Why? Because the basic structure, try to understand, the basic structure of an interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject, right? This is the basic structure, that a helping verb is placed before subject in an interrogative sentence. So there is nothing unobvious. This is very obvious structure. But if we talk about assertive sentence, the basic structure is subject plus helping verb. Like in the basic structure of an assertive sentence, helping verb is placed always after subject. But when we place helping verb before subject in an assertive sentence, it is called inverted structure. It is called inversion. Okay. So now we'll see the rules of inversion. The rules of inversion. The rules of inversion means, when do we place a helping verb before subject in assertive sentences? Okay. Rules of inversion. Rules of inversion means, when do we place before subject, when do we place a helping verb before subject in an assertive sentence? Okay. So here we have rule number 1. Here we have rule number 1. What is rule number 1? What is rule number 1? When a negative adverb is placed, when a negative adverb or adjective is placed, when a negative adverb or adjective is placed in the beginning of a sentence, when a negative adverb or adjective is placed in the beginning of a sentence, verb inverts. Okay. And what does the inversion of verb means? Helping verb is placed before the subject. Now, negative adverbs are hardly, rarely, barely, seldom, never, scarcely. These are negative adverbs. And negative adjectives are few and little. These are negative adjectives. Okay. So if any sentence starts with these words, it will be an inverted assertive sentence. Okay. If any sentence starts with these words, it will be an negative, it will be an inverted assertive sentence. For example, example number 1. Two, and 3. So all these sentences are wrong. This sentence wrong, this two wrong, this two wrong. All these sentences are wrong. Why? Because here hardly is a negative adverb, never is a negative adverb, and little is negative adjective. And when a sentence starts with negative adverb or adjective, the verb inverts. The inversion of verb means that hardly should be followed by helping verb plus subject. Okay, that means here in place of I had, we have to write had I. Okay, now after never we need helping verb plus subject. Okay, so here the sentence is in past indefinite tense. The sentence is in past indefinite, subject and second form, and the helping verb of past indefinite is did. So here in place of I played, did I play would be right. Did I play would be right. And same is the case with little. Little is a negative adjective followed by a helping verb plus subject. So here the sentence is in present indefinite. I know, this is present indefinite, and the helping verb of present indefinite is do or does, and with I we use do. So the sentence would be do I know. Okay, so a sentence that starts with a negative adjective or adverb, it is followed by inverted form of verb. Inverted form of verb means when a helping verb is placed before the subject. Okay, so this was the first rule. This was the first rule of inversion. Clear? Now, rule number 2. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. If not only is followed by subject and but also is followed by verb. If not only is followed by subject and but also is followed by verb. If this is the condition, there is subject after not only and verb after but also. The verb after not only inverts. Okay, if you find this structure, you should know that not only the verb after not only should be inverted. For example, not only I invited Ravi to tea, but also gave him my car. Okay, now in this sentence, as you can see, not only is followed by subject and but also is followed by verb. Okay, not only is followed by subject and but also is followed by verb. So what is the rule? That if not only is followed by subject, and but also is followed by verb, in this condition the verb after not only inverts. The verb after not only inverts. Verb inverts means helping verb will come before the subject. So this sentence is wrong. What is the correction of this sentence? Not only. Now here we have I invited. This is past indefinite tense, and the helping verb of past indefinite is did. So did will come before I. So not only did I invite. So in place of I invited, we should write did I invite, which is inversion. Okay, not only did I invite Ravi. Okay, and the rest of the sentence, no change. Not only did I invite Ravi to tea, but also gave him my car. So this would be the correction of this sentence. So the second rule of inversion is that if not only is followed by subject and but also is followed by verb, the verb after not only inverse. Okay. Amrit. अमृत इसी क्लास में, इन द सेम क्लास 1 बजे नेक्स्ट वीक मैं एडजेक्टिव पढ़ाऊंगा. ठीक है, अगले हफ्ते 1 बजे से मैं एडजेक्टिव पढ़ाऊंगा. ओके. Okay, so this was the second rule. Is this clear? Is the second rule clear? Is the second rule clear? Okay. Now the third rule. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. When a sentence starts with only, when a sentence starts with only plus place, time or manner. Okay, when only starts with place, time or manner. Verb inverts. Verb inverts. For example, only in this way. In this way. So this is manner. This is manner. Manner means the way of doing something. Manner means the way of doing something. So only in this way you can do this. Okay. One more example. Only in this city. So this is place. This is place. Only in this city. Only in the city you can meet me. Okay. And third sentence, only next week. So next week is time. I have given you example for all three. Only is followed by place, only is followed by time, and only is followed by manner. So here is the example of manner. So here is the example of manner. Only in this way, this is manner. Only followed by place, only in this city. Only followed by time, only next week. Okay, so I have given you example for all three expressions. Okay, so here you can call me, right? So here all three sentences are wrong. All three sentences are wrong because the rule is when a sentence starts with only plus place, time or manner, verb inverts. Verb inverts means helping verb will be placed before subject. So here you can is wrong. In place of you can, we need can you. And here also you can is wrong. In place of you can, we need can you. And here also in place of you can, we need can you. Okay, so the third rule is when a sentence starts with only plus place, time or manner, verb inverts. Verb inverts means helping verb is placed before the subject. Okay, clear? Is this rule clear? Deepak and Amrit, is this rule clear? I think 3-4 students are watching me right now. 3-4 students are watching me right now. So please let me know if this rule is clear, everyone. Okay. So today we are, today we are studying the rules, and tomorrow we will be solving the questions related to inversion. Okay, tomorrow we will do practice. Today I am telling you the rules, and tomorrow we will study, we will solve some questions based on inversion. Okay, let's see the next rule. Let's see the next rule. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. If a sentence starts with a phrase of no, a phrase of no, for example, in no way, or under no circumstances, any phrase which has no in it, is called phrase of no. Okay, any phrase which has no in it is called phrase of no. Okay, so in no way, or under no circumstances, so any phrase which has no in it. For example, one more example I can give you: nowhere in the world. Nowhere. So any phrase which has no in it is called the phrase of no. So if any sentence starts with the phrase of no, verb inverts. For example, if I write under no circumstances you should go there. Under no circumstances you should go there. Under no circumstances you should go there. So here the sentence starts with the phrase of no, and if a sentence starts with phrase of no, the verb inverts. So here in place of you should, which is wrong, we should write should you. Should you is correct. Okay, so whenever a sentence starts with phrase of no, the verb inverts. Okay, the verb inverts. Clear? Clear? Okay, now the rule number 5. Rule number 5. When an action has been repeated by two subjects when an action has been repeated by two subjects. For example, I play cricket, Ravi plays cricket. I play cricket and Ravi plays cricket. Or I do not play cricket, Ravi does not play cricket. Okay, so when an action has been repeated by two subjects. So here you can see, here I am playing cricket and here Ravi playing cricket. Okay, so the action is one, subjects are two, I and Ravi, but the action is one, playing cricket. So when an action has been repeated by two subjects, for example, I play cricket, Ravi plays cricket. Here, cricket, cricket. I do not play cricket. So in this condition, we use so plus helping verb plus subject in positive sentences, and neither nor. You have to use any of these, you have to use either of the two, neither or nor. Don't use both. Either use the word neither or use the word nor. Plus helping verb plus subject. This is in negative sentence. Okay, so this sentence will become I play cricket, so Ravi does. Okay, so Ravi does. Here if you write so Ravi does, it is wrong, because in this condition verb has to be inverted. So here in place of Ravi does, we need so does Ravi. So does Ravi is correct. This is wrong. And in negative sentence, in place of Ravi does not, and in negative sentence, Ravi does not play would become neither does Ravi. Okay, so in this is the next rule of inversion, where verb inverts. Okay, clear, or you have any doubt? Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay, so this much for today. Tomorrow we will continue from this point. Okay, tomorrow we will see rule number 6, 7 and 8. And then I'll give you some questions for practice. Okay, and I will always also make sure that this PDF is uploaded. Okay, I will get this PDF uploaded on application, so download it. Okay, you will find this PDF on our Example official app. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, please go ahead and download it now, because the PDF of this class will be there on application. Okay, you will get all the PDFs of my class on application. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, please go ahead and download it now. See you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.